Okay, I've been asked to start these videos again, so I will start here with August 2016, August 1st. I had two good signals. I like to start trading around 5 in the morning, actually, 4:30 maybe, but typically 5:30. And here we are with some signals. Now we have a short signal, and then immediately we get that little white dot's a reversal to me, but you could have still taken this trade if you'd have waited till this signal, got in on this bar, still would have worked. And let's just say you got in at 550. I took the 530 trade, but still they all worked out. None of them would have stopped you. At least with my 5-tick stop. But anyway, this guy was good. Let's see if you got in at 28. Easily taking you down. You could have gotten, if you'd have held to the reversal signal, you could have got 20 ticks, 18 ticks, 20 ticks out of it. So a very good trade to start off. August 1. Let me pull up my... Where is that? There it is. Is that it? No, that's not it. August. So first week of August. First week of August produced 84 ticks. So we'll go on to the second because there's not any other good trades. I typically stop at 11 or before, so this was really the only trade on the first. Let's go over to Tuesday the 2nd. We can see some early morning trades, all good. Here we go at 5 o'clock again. So at 5:10 we have a signal. We get in on the next bar at 5:20, and that's good for 10 ticks, give or take, right through these pivot levels. We get into the pit open, which I don't trade. 7 to 7:30 I stay away. Really about 6:40 to 7:30 I stay away. But then we have another signal here at, what is it, 7:50. So you could have got in at 8 o'clock and got another 10 ticks out of it. Was that all for the second? Yeah, we have our little reversal signal. Now I haven't back tested this guy much, but I need to, especially when we have really big sharp declines and we have a pretty clean reversal signal. You can see it was worth something. Here's another reversal for a few ticks. Again, I'm out of my trading times. This isn't, but I'm just playing these signals here. The arrow signals, not the dots. I just have the dots so I know that there's a reversal. And it sends me an alarm. So let's go on to the 3rd. Wednesday the 3rd. So yeah, so we're already sitting pretty good on some tick gains. Like I said, this first week produced 84 ticks in signals. So nothing early. Around the 5:30, just some chop. We get into the pit open. We see the pit and some news, 7:20, 7:30. That's why we get all these crazy bars. That's why I try to stay away from all that. And we go, let's see, it looks like we're going to get stopped on this one. Had a good signal at 8:20, so if you got in here, 8:20, is that the 3rd? Yeah, 8:20. So you got in on the 8:30 bar. That's a stop. Then we get another signal, short at 9. So if you got in on the 9:10 bar, that's a good one. That's worth 10 ticks. So that was Wednesday. Let's see, is there any other signals? So you have one stop, one 10-tick winner. So if you stopped at 5, so you're still up 5 ticks. And yeah, that looks like that's all I would have had for that day. So let's go to Thursday. A lot of chop early. Here we come in at 5 o'clock. So 5:20 get a signal. You get in on the 5:30 bar right on the pivot. That's good. You don't get stopped. It comes back to the pivot. But if you got in on the pivot, you don't get stopped, and then boom. Wow, big winner. Big winner. So that's good. Yeah, that's worth a point at least, and that might be light, but that was a great trade there. Getting in at 5:30. So let's go. Was there another trade here? Looks like we got another trade here. At 7:10, that's not in my time. We get another signal at 8. So if you'd have taken this 8 o'clock trade, yeah, you gotten stopped. But then you have an 8:30 signal, and you would have been stopped on this guy, so you could have got in at 8:40, and that's good for another 10. So yeah, you got a 8:4 was a big day. Let's go on to Friday. Morning chop, morning chop. Oop, I take that back. We have a signal here at 5. So that would have been a stop. We have another signal here at 6:40. Again, that's getting into my times that I don't like it. Let's just say we take it. That's going to be a stop. So that's 2 stops. At 7:40. That's 3 stops. So Friday was 3 stops and you're out. And if I have 3 stops in a row, really 2 stops in a row, I'm pretty much out. So Friday was 15 tick loser. You still had a great week, profitable week for the first.